Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. It's me Muhammad Amir, HOD English from Umar campus. I have been teaching here since July 2007, so it's been 13th year serving here. Today, I am going to give you a lecture on a very particular topic, and that is changing the voice. People always find difficulty while changing the voice, but I have got 5 rules for them. If they are going to learn these 5 rules, they will be able to change the voice of any given tense to them. The rules are, you may write them in Urdu. आप इन rules को उर्दू में लिख सकते हैं अपनी कन्वीनियंस के लिए. रूल नंबर 1 इज चेंज ऑब्जेक्ट टू सब्जेक्ट. दिए हुए ऑब्जेक्ट से सब्जेक्ट बनाना. रूल नंबर 2, यूज ऑफ हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज RM. हेल्पिंग वर्ब का इस्तेमाल करना. रूल नंबर 3, यूज़ ऑफ थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब, हमेशा तीसरी फॉर्म लगाना. नंबर 4 इज़ एडिंग बाय का इजाफा करना. एंड नंबर 5 एंड फाइनल रूल इज़ अप्लाई ऑब्जेक्टिव केस ऑफ गिवन सब्जेक्ट. दिए हुए सब्जेक्ट की ऑब्जेक्टिव हालत लगाना. लेट्स start changing the voice of present indefinite tense, which is the first basic tense of English language. We are going to change their voices according to the rule given on the whiteboard. If you look at the whiteboard, it is quite evident that we have got 4 different sentences of present indefinite tense. Now we are going to change their voices according to the rules. According to first rule, चेंज ऑब्जेक्ट टू सब्जेक्ट. दिए हुए ऑब्जेक्ट से सब्जेक्ट बनाना. इन सेंटेंस नंबर 1 यू मे नोटिस टी इज द ऑब्जेक्ट, सो विल ड्रैग इट टू द प्लेस ऑफ सब्जेक्ट. इन दिस वे वी हैव फुलफिल्ड रूल नंबर 1. अकॉर्डिंग टू रूल नंबर 2, यूज ऑफ हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज RM. हेल्पिंग वर्ब का इस्तेमाल करना. We will use is if it is singular and R if it is plural. You may see that T is singular entity, so we are going to add is. In this way, we have fulfilled our second rule. Now, according to third rule, always use third form of verb. हमेशा तीसरी form लगाना. So take will be changed into taken. In this way, we have complied 3 rules. Now, according to 4th rule, adding by, we are going to add by. Finally, apply objective case of given subject. As you know, she always changes into her. It's very simple. Now, we are going to change voice of second sentence according to the rules. According to first rule, change the object into subject. दिए हुए ऑब्जेक्ट से सब्जेक्ट बनाना. Now you may notice that bananas are plural entity, so we are going to add R. Now according to third rule, हमेशा तीसरी फॉर्म लगाना. We are going to add eaten. Now according to 4th rule, add by. Finally, apply objective case of given subject. They will change into them. Sometimes you may find pronoun as an object. आपको इसमें पैनिक होने की, परेशान होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. तो आपने हिम यहाँ पे एज ए ऑब्जेक्ट भी है और ऑब्जेक्टिव केस भी है. जब हम इसे सब्जेक्ट में चेंज करेंगे, इट विल चेंज इनटू ही. नाउ इट इज सिंगुलर एंटिटी, वी विल ऐड इज. अकॉर्डिंग टू थर्ड रूल, ऑलवेज यूज थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. हेट विल बी चेंज इनटू हेटेड. अकॉर्डिंग टू फोर्थ रूल, वी विल ऐड बाय. एंड फाइनली, अप्लाई ऑब्जेक्टिव केस ऑफ गिवन सब्जेक्ट. That will change into me. Sometimes you may find phrase in a sentence and you may find difficulty while changing its voice. Simple method is just put your hand on the phrase. What is remaining? Subject, verb and object. Some people treat phrase as an object. That is grammatically wrong. So we are going to change object cricket into subject. Cricket. Cricket is singular entity. According to second rule, we will add is. According to third rule, use of third form of verb, we will add played. Play will be changed into played. Now according to fourth rule, adding by. And finally, applying objective case of given subject, we will change into us. I hope you would have enjoyed it. Now we are going to change negative of these sentences. Sentence number 1 is, she does not take tea. While changing the voice of negative sentences, you got to make a slight change. आपको थोड़ी सी तब्दीली करना पड़ती है in rule number 2 में. You need to add not right after the helping verb. Now we are going to change the negative of first sentence according to the rules given on the whiteboard. दिए हुए ऑब्जेक्ट से सब्जेक्ट बनाना is the first rule. Second rule, helping verb लगाना and adding not. Not, we put not to maintain its negativity. Again, apply third form of verb, adding by, and finally applying objective case of given subject, she will change into her. Now second sentence, they do not eat bananas. Now according to first rule, change object into subject, bananas, applying helping verb along with not to maintain its negativity, applying third form of verb, adding by, and applying objective case of given subject, they will change into them. Third sentence is, I do not hate him. Him will be changed into he. It is singular entity. We will use is along with not to maintain its negativity. Applying third form of verb, hate will be changed into hated. We will add by, and finally we will apply objective case of given subject. I will change into me. Finally, we do not play cricket in the morning. In this sentence, cricket is an object, so we will drag it to the place of subject according to the first rule. It is singular entity, so we will add not, is, and along with not. Then applying third form of verb, play will be changed into played. Then we will add by. Finally, we are going to apply objective case of given subject, that is us, and phrase will remain at its original place. Now we are going to change interrogative a first sentence is, does she take tea? Some people may find difficulty while changing the voice of interrogative sentences. लेकिन एक बात को ध्यान नशीन रखना है आपने कि इसके पैसिव वॉइस बनाते हुए कुछ लोगों को डिफ़िकल्टी फील होती है, लेकिन मैं आपको सिंपल तरीका बताता हूँ. आपने इसके ऑब्जेक्ट को देखना है. इफ़ इट्स ऑब्जेक्ट इज सिंगुलर देन वी विल अप्लाई इज इन द बिगिनिंग. देन object as a subject, third form of verb, adding by, and then objective case of given subject. Now second sentence is, do they eat bananas? In this sentence, bananas are plural entity, so we will add are in the beginning. We will put are in the beginning of sentence, then object as a subject, third form of verb, adding by, and then applying objective case of given subject, and they will change into them. Now third sentence is, do I hate him? In this particular sentence, him will change. Him is a singular entity, so we will add is in the beginning. An object will be changed into subject, and that is he. Third form of verb, adding by, and finally applying objective case of given subject, I will change into me. Finally, the last sentence is, do we play cricket in the morning? Again, object of this sentence is singular, so we will add or put is in the beginning, and then the object as a subject, third form of verb, adding by, and finally applying the objective case of given subject, and we will change into us, and phrase will remain at its original place. Okay, dear students, I hope you would have enjoyed my lecture. If you have got any problem regarding this lecture, you may consult your teacher in WhatsApp group. I will suggest you to keep practicing on rough copies about present indefinite tense, so that you master in it. Thank you very much.